Hey guys, it's Deja. Today we're doing a packaging video. So a lot of people are asking for these videos, which I love. So I'll try to get out as many as I possibly can. But she ordered a ton of stuff, so here I am packaging it. Here is some paper tape. I'm switching to better packaging just for you guys. I get a lot of comments saying that stuff isn't recyclable or biodegradable, stuff like that. So yeah, I have the paper tape, and then I have butcher paper, and then I have this Ranpak stuff, which is used instead of bubble wrap, which is super cool. And then I have biodegradable packing peanuts. But thank you so much, Erin, for your order, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.
I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it.
Okay, welcome to every night of my life, printing labels for orders. It's very fun. Okay, that's a lie. It's not super fun, but I'm glad to be here. My mom and my brother helped me. What was that? I don't know. That's Houston. So things are a little different with the big restock of the notebooks and the stickers, but here's how it goes down. My mom is in charge of the prints, and she packs those up, and then she gives them to me, and I do the labels. And then Houston is back there, and he does sticker orders until I need him to put stickers on like the outside of the packages. I always put little flower stickers and then like do not bend. There he is doing the actual stickers. Look at that fat stack I printed today. That's orders. We need those to help organize, or else we don't know what the heck we're doing. Batman came to check on the orders. He said everything's good to go. There's Houston. Look at them all. They're so pretty. And obviously I just showed y'all snippets, but it's basically that, but you know, repeated over and over and over. So that's about it. Thank you so much for ordering from me. We got 200 out. I love you. Okay, bye.
You have to start going to crystal stores with your friends. It's such a fun day just for the two of you, or the three of you. I don't know. How many people do you have in your friend group? Look at these, look at these, and look at my adorable friend. Oh my gosh, her name's Maddie. Those are the crystals we got. Okay, thanks, bye.
Yes, let me try to explain this. I have not mastered this yet. I am still trying to get more organized on my finances, but I'll show you what I do for now. First, I created this template on Pages. It has like the costs of each thank you card, my Stay Flat mailers, the envelope. For example, my trio of little mini stickers, it costs $3.19 to make. Then the packaging is 70 cents. The international shipping is $2.71. Ignore that, it comes up way too often when I'm trying to work. And then the Etsy takes away 72 cents. And then I add that all together, that's the cost there. And then I add my shop total, which is $9, so that I make $1.68. I really don't know if that makes any sense. It's kind of just how I've done it, and adding everything and writing it out. Then at the end of the month, I use a tally system to add up everything that I've sold so that I can see how much I made in the month. I don't know if that was what you're looking for, but I hope that helped.
So what I don't get is I post consistently for my small business almost 3 times a day, and I don't blow up, but all the other ones blow up, and I'm just like, what am I doing wrong? Is it me? So I guess this is to the 3 people that watch my videos.
Box. Item. Next. New order! New order! New order! New order! Now we gotta make it!
Oh shoot.
On my Depop, I do personalized style bundles, which is where you tell me everything about your style, and for $70, I pick out a bundle for you. I pick out 2 full outfits, 3 to 4 extra tops, and accessories, and this is one I just finished, and I'm obsessed with it.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she
cups are here, the cups are here, the cups are here. Well, the first shipment, so come pack an order with me. Yeah, there's a lot. Also, here's how I drink out of my cup. People were wondering. Pinkies up, bitches. So I pre-measure them before I cut. 6 go on each side. These are much more temperamental to weed out. This happens to so many petals, so I have to cut out extras, which is fine. It just takes me a little longer. I'm so excited to get all these cups out to you guys. I want to get all 50 done tonight. The first 50 were people who paid priority shipping, and then I go in reverse order for the people who have been waiting the longest. Also, let's find out who really watches my whole video and pays attention to what I'm saying, because this is a video also for a 50K giveaway, you guys. Comment a sunflower and tag a friend in the comments to enter to win a free cup. I also have 2 giveaways going on my Instagram. One isn't posted yet, but the other one, the winner's chosen this Saturday. Y'all love free stuff. You got great taste. Love you guys. Bye. This is the tutorial, but I'm selling these at ShopShares on Etsy, so go check that out in my bio. I took blue acrylic paint and textile medium to make it into fabric paint. I mixed it together and dabbed it all over the jeans. I used white and went over the blue to make squiggly patterns and lines everywhere. It's okay if it's messy. Then I took the blue again and went over it to make it glow in certain spots. And I heat set it for permanence, and this is the result.
When I first launched my business, even some of my closest friends had nothing to say. They didn't necessarily support me, meaning like or share my content or even ask me how it was going with the brand. They just kind of, stayed silent. And at first I took offense to it, but then I quickly realized it is normal human behavior. They had never seen someone try to accomplish something so ambitious. It was just easier for them to stay quiet and hope that it wouldn't go anywhere significant. And then I started to not take it personal. I just kept going and going. And if this happens to you, you'll find that you will meet people and friends that get it, that know where you're coming from, that believe in you, that want to help.
One of the most important things I ever learned from any of my art internships was if you sell products, to have really great packaging. I sell handmade earrings, and each of them comes with a handwritten note, matching packaging, and it's just an experience to open it up.
I see a bunch of people posting all these business checks. I want to see the custom orders. People don't typically understand why custom orders are so expensive. So I wanted to start a trend to show the world all the love that actually goes into making a custom order. Small business owners, who's